we'll see about the next gland, which is endocrine gland, which is name is thyroid gland. It is present in the neck region, and it is the largest of all the endocrine gland. The weight of the gland is about 25 to 40 gram in adult human being. Okay, this is the structure of the thyroid gland. You can see in this diagram. The function, the action of thyroid hormones are many: stimulation of oxygen consumption and heat production. The thyroid gland controls how quickly the body uses energy, makes protein, and controls how sensitive the body is to other hormones. These hormones regulate the growth and rate of function of many other systems in the body. Thyroid hormones act throughout the body, influencing metabolism, growth and development, and body temperature. During infancy and childhood, adequate thyroid hormone is crucial for brain development. So, the thyroid hormone, it is present in the neck region. As I told you, it is the largest of all the endocrine gland and weight of about 25 to 40 gram, and in adult human being. Function is to the action of thyroid hormones are many: stimulation of oxygen consumption and heat production, then effect on growth and development. Next, in hypothyroidism, basal metabolism is lowered, resulting into cretinism, dwarfism, and mental deficiency. And in hyperthyroidism, metabolic rate is increased, resulting sweating, flushing, exophthalmic goiter, protrusion of the eyeball. So this is all about the thyroid gland. Now we'll see about the parathyroid gland. Parathyroid gland are so named because they are found on the surface of the thyroid gland. You can see here is the thyroid gland, and they are found on the surface of the thyroid gland. Okay, they are embedded in the thyroid gland. In human being, the parathyroid gland consists of two pair of small oval gland of densely packed cells attached to the thyroid gland. And the function of parathyroid gland produce two hormones, parathormone and calcitonin, for regulating the blood calcium and phosphorus level. तो ब्लड में का कैल्शियम लेवल एंड फॉस्फोरस लेवल मेंटेन करने का काम पैराथायरॉयड ग्लैंड करती है. हाइपर पैराथायरॉयडिज्म कॉज टिटेनी, हाइपर पैराथायरॉयडिज्म कॉज बोन डिफॉर्मिटीज एंड फ्रैक्चर, किडनी स्टोन, etc. And there are 4 parathyroid glands, and they are each about the size of grain of rice. Though they are located near each other, parathyroid glands are not related to the thyroid gland. Parathyroid hormone has very powerful influence on the cell of your bones by causing them to release their calcium into the bloodstream. And the function and disease of parathyroid hormone. Parathyroid hormone regulate the body's calcium level. The parathyroid essentially helps the nervous and muscular system function properly. Calcium is the primary element that causes muscle to contract, and calcium level are very important to the normal conduction of electric current along the nerves. The most common disease of parathyroid gland is hyperparathyroidism, which is characterized by excessive parathyroid hormone. So this is all about the parathyroid gland.